If fair value gap confuses you, this video is going to make it simple in 2 minutes. Come with me. Okay. Fair value gap is a price action concept where the price of an asset moves too quickly, creating a gap between two prices on chart. Generally, market supposed to be balancing between the buyers and the sellers. But whenever market moves very very quick in a particular zone, it means that there is a gap at that particular zone. But that's not all. That's not all about fair value gap. Fair value gap is a three candlestick pattern. Let's go into the chart. I'll show you something. It's a three candlestick pattern, but this three candlestick pattern has a roles to play in making it a proper fair value gap. For example, let's draw the first example. Now we have the first candle on the three candlestick pattern. The first candle is insignificant. Like whatever the first candle does not mean anything. So which means we can have a first candle like this, and the second candle is very 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 important. The second candle is very very important. The second candle must be an expansion candle. Because it is where we are going to know if it is a good level gap or a bad one. So it must be an expansion candle. And the third candle is also very important to show that if market is going to respect that fair value gap or not. Let's make the first example as let's say we have a little bit bullish candle as the third candle. So when we have something like this, okay, I just want to show. Okay, let me just put it this way. Okay, so we have something like this. This particular gap between them is what we call a fair value gap. I'm sorry, this particular gap is what we call the fair value gap. Now, the second scenario is after having this, don't forget the first candle is insignificant. The second candle must be an expansion. The third candle shows you if market is going to respect or disrespect. Now, if the third candle also is an expansion candle, this kind of gap is called a breakaway gap, not a fair value gap. Do you understand? It is a breakaway gap, not a fair value gap. Now let's go into the chart and see one or two things. Now let's look at this particular fair value gap here. After market break this structure here, you can see this 1 2 3, the three candle here, the three candle that we have here. So this particular fair value gap here is a fair value gap. Yeah, thank you.